Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to call this video Text in a Frame. I've done plenty of videos on text with a curve. If we grab the text tool, we get this shape object right there. That means that when we click it, we're going to start typing text. But if you can get this by going over that object and then you get this curve, which is like this look right here. And what that's doing is telling you text to path. And a lot of people don't realize you don't have to type out your text and then put it to path. You can get it there already. And then just to move it around, you can just take and do whatever you want to with it. You know, make it that, make it blue, just like normal text to path. But then there's text in a frame, what I'm going to call, and you get this look. Well, there's no secret here. There's the normal text. There's the text to path. You go a little bit lower, you get a paragraph text set up. So we can start typing and put it like in a frame. And it's confined much like paragraph text would be, but you've made your own paragraph text. You could even do it in the circle. We'll take this text to path away. We'll grab our text tool and we'll go just down a little bit till we get that paragraph text. And then you just start typing and you keep, I can't think of what to type right now. Just type a bunch of stuff and it's a paragraph text. So you don't have to go and start a paragraph text. You can use your artistic text and just tell it, I want that to be a paragraph text. Or, you could go regular text. You could go, well, okay, see, I'm having trouble with this because this is just a rectangle. So if we go and take the rectangle and go to object and convert it to a curve, we get a totally different look. There's the edge, there's the text to path, there is the paragraph text. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.